I'm ready.
Right. Good morning. 36th District Court, City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Marlena E. Taylor is presiding. During this session, there will be no eating, sleeping, talking, or lounging. You will sit straight up and pay attention and be dressed to take care of your business. There will be no hats, only for religious or spiritual reasons. Thank you and good morning. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thank you very much. I'm going to call the matter of the people versus Clifford Wilson. Now calling the matter of the people versus Clifford Melvin Wilson. This is ticket SP 103742261. This is one count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Caitlin Crapo, P86272, standing in on for Attorney Mohammed Nasser on behalf of Mr. Wilson.
All right.
Madam Court Reporter, you're muted. Oh.
Yeah, you're standing in for who?
For Attorney Mohammed Nasser.
All right. And is your client present today, ma'am?
At this time, we have attempted to get into contact with him and we've been unable to confirm that he was able to log on this morning.
All right. Let me just check before I start. Phone number ending in 8417. What's your name?
Lorraine Williamson.
All right, hold tight, Ms. Williamson. All right, I just want to make sure that wasn't her at this point in time. All right, you have had some type of contact with your client though in the past, is that correct, ma'am?
I believe so. That is what Mr. Nasser represented to me.
All right, so I'm going to give you at least one more time before I do put this into capious status to try and get in contact. My pretrial dates are pretty far out, so I do apologize. So it's going to be May 30th. 2023, 8:30 a.m. I'll continue the bond at $0. If he does not appear for the next hearing, however, I will capious him at that point in time, okay?
Absolutely. Just to confirm, you said May 30th.
That's right.
At what time?
8:30 a.m.
8:30 a.m. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, you enjoy the rest of your day. And it's very nice to meet you.
It was wonderful to meet you as well.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Mr. Williams, I know you're not smoking in my courtroom.
No.
Okay. That's not what we're doing. Did you sign in already? Did you talk to an attorney?
Yeah, I just got done speaking to an attorney. He was getting ready to join the session.
All right. Yeah, he's asked a few more people to talk to, so it's okay. It's all right.
Ms. Williamson?
Yes,
Did you say your first name is Jesse?
Lorraine Williamson.
Okay, just one moment. Ms. Williamson, what time was your case for today?
I think it was 8:30.
She's not on the docket, Mary. Call the courtroom.
It's Williamson, you said?
Yes.
She's on the second page, 845, about 3/4 of the way down.
I see Jesse.
Her first name wasn't Jesse, it was Lorraine, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Jane Williamson.
Ms. Williamson, do you have a case number?
A case number. Let me see. It would be on these tickets.
It should be, yes, right at the top.
Okay, let me give you a little more right here. Case number.
Ticket number, case number, same thing.
SP 1385260 or that 2682. 268201. Hello?
1 second, we're trying to figure it out, okay?
Okay,
Ms. Williamson,
yes,
okay, it looks like you had a court date on March the 7th that you didn't appear for. So
yes.
now you have a due date for August the 8th at
Well,
8:30.
they gave me one for today.
They sent you
Hello?
one for today.
When I called them, because I thought my appointment was on March the 13th. But when I called her, it turned out it was the 7th. So she gave me one to appear today.
Okay, who is she? Would that be me?
Oh, I don't know. I called in after I realized I didn't make the appointment, and
Okay, Ms.
I
Williamson,
can't say.
I need you to call. Okay, if that she was me, I need you to call me again. 313
Okay,
965 2293.
you say you want me to call you again
Yes, I need you to call me again in the courtroom.
now?
Yes,
So I'm hanging up and I'm calling you.
yes.
Okay?
Ready
Good
on,
morning, Attorney Bachman, you ready?
good morning, Your Honor. We're ready on all cases. I have the court interpreter and the Spanish-speaking defendant coming out now, and we're ready on that case. That would be CR337 Gonzalez, Your Honor.
Yes, and I would like to do that one first. Good morning, Miss Vivian.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay, we're gonna call your matter now, okay?
Ok, vamos a llamar a nuestro caso ahora.
Okay.
Ok.
You ready, Attorney Bachman?
¿Está listo, abogado Hoffman?
He went. He took off his camera for a moment. Give me a second. Just tell, can you tell me, give me a second.
Tenemos que esperar un ratito para el abogado. O para
Okay.
la cámara para un momento.
Sí.
Ok.
Ready, Your Honor. Thank you.
Oh, of course. Now calling the matter of the people versus Mario Zarate Gonzalez. This is ticket number SP 1306388. One count failed to stop for stop sign. One count no insurance misdemeanor. One count driver's license never acquired.
Este es el caso de las personas en contra Mario Zarate González. El caso SP 1306388. Primer cargo es falla de parar para una seña de stop. Segundo, no tener aseguranza. Tercer cargo, nunca consiguió licencia.
Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Presentaciones por la acta, empezando con el licenciado, por favor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, your name, please.
Harry Bachman representando el acusado. Señor, diga su nombre, por favor.
Mario Alberto Zárate González.
Mario Alberto Zarate González.
Thank you,
All right.
Your Honor.
Hold on, I got to swear in Ms. Vivian first.
Yes.
All right. Ms. Vivian, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to translate the English to Spanish and Spanish to English, Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do. My
All
name
right,
is
please state your, okay, go ahead.
Antonia. My last name is Vivian, qualified English Spanish interpreter with the state of Michigan.
Thank you very much. All right, counsel.
So, Your Honor, these matters are set for trial and there's no complaining witness. Would you please dismiss without prejudice?
Su señoría, este caso está listo aquí para juicio hoy y no hay, el demandante no está aquí. Entonces me gustaría renunciar sin prejuicio, por favor, su señoría.
The time is now 10:02 a.m. No officer having checked in on this matter. The court is
El
going to-
horario ahora es 10:02 de la mañana y el oficial de policía no se presentó hoy.
The court is going to grant your request and dismiss this without prejudice.
La corte va a renunciar este caso sin prejuicio como usted desea.
There's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Si no hay nada más, esta audiencia ya se terminó.
Estoy bien entonces.
So I'm fine then.
Yes, he is. He can go ahead and sign on.
Sí, usted ya puede colgarse e irse. Gracias.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you. Have a good
You're
day.
welcome.
Bye.
Thank you. You two have a good day, okay?
Thanks.
Bye-bye. All right. I haven't forgot about you, Attorney Richardson. We're trying to find a prosecutor, okay?
Okay, I'm still here.
Okay. Is there any order I need to go in, Attorney Baldwin, or can I just start calling people in?
As you like, Your Honor. I'm ready on
Okay,
all
thank
cases.
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna call your case now, okay?
Okay.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Chantel Williams. This is ticket number SP 1304170. This is one count leave scene of accident causing property damage. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name, ma'am.
Chantel Williams.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Williams.
Morning.
The judge, Your Honor, we're asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please, and thank you.
All right, Ms. Williams, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baldwin about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, Ms. Williams?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, it's going to be on June 9th. June 9th via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day. It'll be at 9 a.m. And Ms. Williams, if you press on your phone the next time the Bluetooth and unlink that, it helps the sound be a little louder, okay?
Okay. I'm trying to
disconnect it. Yeah.
Your Honor, would the record reflect the defendant having been arraigned this morning as not guilty and waived formal reading, please?
Absolutely. So it's okay. The court will set aside the bench warrant that's out there at this time, enter a plea of not guilty on her behalf, and make sure that that is noted for the bench trial. Thank you, attorney.
Thank you.
All right. You're all set, Ms. Williams. You can figure it out for next time, though. But sometimes if you disconnect the phone completely from Bluetooth, it'll help the sound get louder, okay?
Okay, thank you. That's June 9th at 9 o'clock, Your Honor.
June 9th at 9 o'clock via Zoom. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Both of y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.
You too. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
All right.
All right. Bye-bye.
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 All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Angela Williams. This is ticket SP 1304188. This is one count disobey lawful order of police officer. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name for the record?
Angela Lenore Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. Judge, there is a genuine and a material issue of fact. We ask that the matter be set for trial, a waiver trial date, please, by Zoom.
Ma'am, if you could please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baldwin about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to set this for a bench trial date of June 9th at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in, you zoom in on that day. Her plea of not guilty will remain entered in the computer at this time, and we'll see you back. Bond will be set at $0. June 9th, 9 a.m., ma'am, okay, via Zoom.
Is it going to be the same Zoom number?
Same Zoom number, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you. Jermaine Wilson. I know you're not laying down, Mr. Wilson.
I was just waiting.
Sit up for me, okay? All the way up. There we go. Now calling the matters of the people versus Jermaine Wilson. This is ticket SP 980357. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number SP 409901. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant, sir, your please. Mr. Wilson, your name is a little louder.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Your name?
Jermaine Wilson.
Thank you, sir. Judge, these matters are going to be dismissed by stipulation. I'd stipulate the probable cause for the recommendation from the prosecutor. Essentially, he has several paid civil infractions that are fueling the decision here. So we would thank the court and the prosecutor for the recommendation.
Absolutely. And as the court looked in the computer system and I saw that he took care of all of his civil infractions. Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Thank you. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Now, it looks like on these two tickets though, Mr. Wilson, you do have reinstatement fees. So you're gonna have to pay those reinstatement fees on those tickets, but that's it. Then you're all set, okay? You have taken care of every single ticket. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
All right. These cases are dismissed, Mr. Wilson. You're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Snyder, we're gonna put you into break. Hi, Attorney Richardson wants to talk to you about Stephen Yang. He has one ticket on the docket, accident failed to stop within the sure clear distance. You're all set, Mr. Wilson. And so, do you see him on the docket, Attorney Snyder?
I do. It might be SX. Sometimes those are state.
Oh, shoot, it is. I am so sorry. It's a state ticket.
Do you
Thank
know
you for coming back, though. I
hearing?
appreciate it.
My pleasure. It's an easy switch. I was just in 434. Do you know if his officer appeared? It's set for formal hearing, so it might be. Yep, it might be an easy dismissal.
No,
Okay.
no officers have shown up.
Okay, thank you. I didn't even realize. Thank you. See, you came in here and changed the whole game. Thank you, Attorney Snyder.
Glad to help.
All right. All right, Mr. Richardson, I'm gonna call your guy out now, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I need to try to break into the main session. I'm trying. Mr. Yang?
He was in a breakout.
Yeah, I have him. There he is.
Hello?
Mr. Yang, go ahead and turn on your computer for me, okay? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Stephen Yang. This is ticket SX 415784771. This is one count failed. Accident failed to stop within a sure clear distance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
David Richardson, attorney for Mr. Yang, P38038.
All right. And Mr. Yang, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Stephen Yang.
Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
I would move for dismissal, Your Honor. I don't believe that the complaining witness has appeared today.
All right. The time is now 10:12 a.m. This is scheduled for 9 a.m. No officer having appeared. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Sir, you're all set, okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Andre Watson?
Yes.
All right. Put it all the way in your face for me. Now calling the matter of the, and that's why you couldn't. You all leaning down. Sit up, Mr. Watson. Sit up all the way, Mr. Watson.
Right.
It's okay. It's okay to sit up for court, I promise. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Andre Watson. This is ticket SP 1360069. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052. Matter set for trial. Sir, state your name.
R.J. Watson.
The defendant's continuing a not guilty plea, and because there's no complaining witness that's checked in, it's been an hour since the trial date. Trial was supposed to commence, Your Honor. So would you consider here a motion to dismiss without prejudice, please?
All right. The time is now 10:14 a.m. No officer having checked in. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you're all set. I hope you get insurance on your vehicle though, okay?
All right.
Yes.
I have some.
You do? Oh, fantastic. That's what I want to hear, Mr. Watson. Great job. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. Thank you. Attorney Cole, we thought we were going to have a trial. The officer didn't check in. So I don't know if I need you on any other things this morning?
Not for me, Your Honor.
So Frederick Wells, the officer didn't check in?
Frederick Wells.
I had that on my calendar and I,
Hold on. Let me see. I don't even have the Wells in here today.
oh, okay, maybe I. Check it.
I did have one up, but the officer didn't come. But it was for Stephen Yang. That's what I thought you were checking in on.
Oh, no. Okay, so the Frederick, maybe I have to check the ROA, I mean, the schedule. For some reason I had it on my calendar.
Yeah, I don't have it, but thank you for coming in for it.
Oh, thank you, Judge. Sorry to give them, I should check a little closer.
No. Listen, we'll be all right. Thank you.
Your flowers made my Monday, looking at those beautiful flowers. Thank you. Gorgeous.
Happy Monday. Yeah. Let's take the week. All right. Larry Wright, they do. Me, I'm a whole mess. I know, I'm sorry. Well, what happened to Larry Williams? Did he accidentally sign off? It's all right. He'll come back. We'll do Sadie Williams in an interim until Mr. Larry Wright comes back. Sadie Williams? Miss Williams? Okay. Unmute yourself, okay? All right.
Yeah. Hey, good morning.
Good morning, you're fine. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sadie Williams. This is ticket SP 1005585. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket SP 831933. 1 count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Please state your name.
Sade Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Sims. Judge, the defendant is going to waive any rights to any further hearings or trials to resolve this here and now. She is pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display. The balance of the instant cases will be dismissed here. I would stipulate to probable cause for that recommendation. Thank the court and the prosecutor.
Ms. Williams, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention all the way back to January 24th of 2017. At that time, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Davidson and East McNichols in the city of Detroit, ma'am?
Yes.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license to that officer who stopped you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, stipulation for probable cause for the remaining counts has already been granted, so, or requested, so the court's gonna dismiss the remaining counts as a part of this plea today. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
30, less than that.
Okay, well, when you can, I just like to give a little bit of time, because they'll start adding on fees if you don't pay it in enough time. So it's gonna be due no later than April 27th, okay? April 27th, okay? All right, good luck to you with getting your license if you don't have it, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. All right, you can sign off, Ms. Williams. You're all set, okay? Barrett
Hello?
Williams? Hello, Mr.
Yes.
Williams. Hear us?
Hello, I hear you.
Hello? Okay.
Hello?
Hello? Mr. Williams,
Yes,
you gotta
I
stop
hear you.
saying hello, okay?
I can't hear you. Help?
I said, can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Barrett Williams. This is ticket SP 1274509, count 1. Drove unregistered or drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, drive while license suspended. Also calling ticket number SP 1440931. This is one count of expired plates. He just got that ticket on Attorney Baughman on 3/15/23. So I added it to this today. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Williams, would you state your full name for the record?
Barrett Jesse Williams.
Thank you. Judge, defendant is here for an arraignment. We're gonna ask that the not guilty be entered on his behalf today and that the matter be for a pre-trial. I have.
Why I gotta go through all that? Why can't plead guilty? It's just traffic violation.
Mr. Williams, you and I spoke about this already. Don't you need to go to the Secretary of State? Didn't we talk about that? That would be in your best interest. Okay, I know you want to resolve this today, and we talked about it. It took you a while to get into this. I looked up your entire record. There's a lot going on, but you need to help get some clarification for us so that we can help you, and that's going to come from the Secretary of State. I mean, you can resolve this today. I'm not taking away your right to do that, but it's not going to get you any closer to getting your license back until you get that clarification. And you don't have to, it's in your better interest and believe that it's going to save you a lot of money. You have a lot of outstanding tickets out, a lot. Right?
$4,000 some odd dollars worth of outstanding fees you owe to the court still, Mr. Williams. So if Attorney Baughman is giving you some advice, I'm giving you to it, okay?
Ma'am, you said outstanding fee. I just paid a bunch of tickets to the court.
You did. You did pay a bunch of tickets, but you still owe on a bunch of tickets, and you have what's called a reinstatement fee. And so what Attorney Baughman is telling you is that you gonna argue with me, Mr. Williams? Are you really gonna argue with me today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Williams, he's giving you some sound advice. Because if you go to the Secretary of State's office and find out what you really need to take care of, then you can potentially get your license back. But you gotta figure out what you need to take care of first, so that way you don't owe $2,200 worth of reinstatement fees. But you can see what you need immediately so that you can get your license back. How about that?
That's fine.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna give you a date. It's gonna be a little further away. That way it gives you some time. It's gonna be May 30th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. I'll continue your bond at $0, so you don't have to worry about it. But May 30th, 2023, see what you can take care of. It'll put you in a much better position, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Williams. All right, have a good day. You're welcome.
You too. God bless you guys.
You too. Just listen to what he said. He's trying to help you, okay?
It's going to save you a lot in the long run, sir, a lot.
Okay. All right. Have a good day, Mr. Williams. You can go ahead and hang up the phone, okay?
I will. Thank you.
Bye now.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Robert Ross,
Yes, ma'am.
I see you on video, please.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Okay, let me help. Is that you, sir, Mr. Wash?
Yeah, it's me right here, but I can't see you.
I know, you gotta turn your camera on. I can see you in your picture, trust me. I can see the screen picture.
Okay. Okay. All right.
There you go. All right.
How you doing?
Now
man?
calling, you ready? Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Lee Wash II. This is ticket SP 1187418. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1362974. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, your name, please.
Robert Wash.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant is here for an arraignment, so please waive any formal reading of the information, and he will stand mute for that purpose. But he's going to plead guilty here today, Judge, to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid driver's license. The no insurance count will be dismissed here. For that recommendation, I stipulate to probable cause. Thank the court and the prosecutor.
Mr. Watts, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down, Mr. Watts. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of April 26th of 2021. Were you in the area of 8 Mile and Shakespeare Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of one count, amended plea of fail to display a valid operator's license. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Counsel, he paid 2 fines. He paid a speeding ticket fine, and he paid no receipt of or unsigned registration. So the court's gonna waive your cost and fine. Sir, you may have reinstatement fees that you need to pay on these tickets, but I'm not gonna give you another fine today just because you already paid for 2 of the tickets. That was almost $400, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then now you got some pending. Were you in the street outreach program? Sir?
Yes, ma'am. I went to the program and did the program, went through all the program they supposed to have, took care of whatever they supposed to have, took care of. I don't know.
They did, but you still have that part of the, I only know because I see how much of the reinstatement fee you have left to pay.
Right.
So I understand. So you gotta take care of that, okay?
Okay.
You okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because you gotta pay those little reinstatement fees.
Yeah.
$30, so take care of those, please
Yeah,
and thank you.
I'm no problem.
All right, sir. There's nothing further. Good luck to you. You still in a stable situation now, sir?
I got a job now, so things are moving along for me. So
Excellent. That's what I want to hear, okay?
yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, sir, okay?
Ma'am, can I ask you one thing? Now, once I pay these reinstatement fees, would I be all right as far as my license? How does that go?
So go to the Secretary of State's office and they'll let you know if you have to go to any other jurisdiction and pay off anything else. They'll let you know and they'll tell you what you need to pay off. And then once you do that, you should be able to apply as long as it's not some permanent hold or anything, okay?
Like jumping on graduation. Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Wash. Good luck to you, okay?
You have a blessed one.
You too, thank you.
All right.
All right. Is this person on 17023? Are you happen to be Larry Wright, sir?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay, I figured as much. Now calling the matter of the people versus Larry Wright. This is ticket number SP 114040201, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and ticket SP 127216141, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, would you state your full name for the record?
Larry Wright.
Thank you, Mr. Wright. This matter is set for pretrial. The prosecutor has agreed, for the reason that the defendant has paid several civil infractions, that they would agree to dismiss these cases. I would stipulate to probable cause for that recommendation and thank the court and the prosecutor.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to honor that agreement. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice at this time. Sir, don't get in this type of trouble again where you get all these civil infractions and everything, and you got to dig your way out. Stay afloat, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, Mr. Wright. Good job. Good luck to you.
Thank you so very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day. It's Audrey Yates. Miss Yates?
Yes.
Okay. Now I can't, you going, there we go, Miss Yates. Now calling the matter of the people versus Aja Yates. This is ticket SP. Asia, it's Asia. Asia, thank you. Asia Yates. This is ticket SP 1317347. One count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
Asia Yates.
Thank you, Miss Yates. Judge, we're going to continue a not guilty plea and ask for a waiver trial by Zoom, please.
All right. Ma'am, could you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Yates, you had a chance to talk to Attorney Goffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, Ms. Yates?
Yes.
All right, it's going to be, write down the date. It's going to be June 9th. June 9th. It's going to be via Zoom. If you need to get to a sheet of paper, let me know.
Hold on 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
It said June 9th.
Yes, 9 a.m. Same Zoom information because it'll be on Zoom, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And the bond will be set at $0.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll see you June 9th, 9 a.m. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. Richard Winfrey. Winfrey. All right. Now
Yes, hello?
calling the matter. Hello. How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Now calling the matter of people versus Richard Winfrey. This is ticket number SP 1061231. One count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, tinted windows. Ticket number SP 1114969. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid. Ticket number SP 1114978. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Ticket number SP 1151554. Failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 1. Count 2, careless driving. Ticket number SP 1241539. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, littering, rubbish, trash, or abandoned vehicle. And ticket number SP 1287414. Are you laying in bed?
Me? No.
Okay. Ticket count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, open alcohol on a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boston on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your full name for the record.
Richard Winfrey.
Your Honor, please enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant for arraignment purposes. We ask that a pretrial be set in these matters. Defendant's been advised. I'm sorry.
Sorry. A not guilty plea will be entered on behalf of your client. I'll set these matters for a pretrial, sir, on the day of May 30th. Okay, at 8:30 a.m., sir, May 30th.
May
8:30
30th.
a.m. Yep, it's gonna be via Zoom, okay?
Okay, and will it be the same judge? Will I just enter the room with the same information as my? Okay.
Same information, as long I should be here, God willing. So I'm here May 30th, okay? Same information.
Got you. 337. Got you. Okay. Thank you.
All right. If there's did you pay any bond money? That's the thing I want to ask.
I did.
Okay, so the bond money will stay in place until these matters are over and we resolve them, okay?
Okay.
All right, no additional bonds, but the bond money he paid will stay in place until we resolve it, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. If there's nothing further, I'll see you back May 30th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
May 30th via Zoom. I got it marked down. And
All
same
right,
courtroom,
fantastic.
337.
337,
Yep.
you got the Zoom information? You good?
Yep, I do. Thank you.
Fantastic. I'll see you then, sir. Good luck with getting stuff together, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, all right. See you then.
Have a good one.
You too. Thank you. Ms. Cox Wimberly?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Candace Cox Wimberly. This is ticket number SP 1333018. One count drive on registered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, for the record, Harry Bossman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your full name?
Candace Cox Wimberly.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant presents today with valid Michigan registration. I believe there was one count, and she has sent to my attention a valid registration which does not expire until June 12th of 2023 to the vehicle in question, a 2007 Chrysler, that the registration and document that the defendant presents today is current and valid. And for that reason, I believe the policy is that the prosecutor would recommend to dismiss the instant case. I would stipulate to probable cause for that recommendation. Thank the court and the prosecutor.
All right. So at this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation for this vehicle now, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Cox Wimberly, make sure that you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle with you at all times, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. We also have one person just so you, Tracy Williams.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus. You got an echo. I don't know why. Okay, that's
Hold
better.
on. No. There you go. Can you hear me now?
Okay. I can.
Better?
It sounds much better. Thank you. Now calling the matters of the people versus Tracy Williams Jr. It looks like ticket number SP 858184. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. There's also one ticket in warrant status. That's you ticket 566-90520. This is one count of entering a vacant building without owner's permission. Nope. Sorry. That first ticket is loitering in a place of illegal occupation. Then we have ticket number U39282-008. That's one count of entering a vacant building and removing contents without authority. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Williams. Your name, please.
Tracy Williams.
Can you state your full name, please?
Tracy Aaron Williams Jr.
Thank you kindly. Judge, for arraignment purposes, please enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant. He's going to ask for a pretrial date, please, and thank you. And he's going to bring back some documents. He's been advised.
Okay, Mr. Williams, I need to ask you a question. I'm glad it says junior. What's the year you were born in?
1998.
Okay, so these other two tickets may not be yours. Let me check it out. Yeah,
because I was confused. I was just confused on them tickets. I'm like, what is this? I'm like, well, I was about to ask, like, what?
Yeah. One of them I see, I'm like, that's not you for sure. Let me check on the other ticket to see the date of birth. When I saw it was two different dates of birth, I knew it was. What you doing? Don't drink, Mr. Williams. Hold tight 1 second.
No, I know. I had to grab a cup out somebody's hand for him.
Okay,
It was hot.
72. He was born in 1998. This is his real.
Oh, so this is it.
I didn't know the second ticket is not a green ticket, so I wouldn't even see the date of birth.
It's the same.
It's
a green ticket too.
Okay, yeah, that's not him. You were born in March 3rd that year?
Yes.
Okay, so you just have, let me correct the record real quick. Mr. Tracy Aaron Williams just has 2 tickets on my docket. Driver's license never acquired, no insurance misdemeanor. That's ticket SP 8184. Okay, I just want to make sure that's clear. The other ticket, I'm imagining may be a relative, but I'm not gonna speculate, okay? Or just someone.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So you're gonna come back for a pretrial. Is that what I heard, Mr. Williams, with all your stuff together?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna give you the date. I'm gonna give you a far out date just because that's how my calendar is going. It's gonna be May 30th. Okay, so that gives you plenty of time. Okay, May 30th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, there's no problem. All right, sir, we'll see you then, and thank you. I saw the look on your face. That's why I asked what your birthday was, because you were like, well.
I'm like,
it's okay, Mr. Williams. We got it straightened out, okay?
All right, I appreciate that.
Oh, absolutely. All right. Have a good day, Mr. Williams.
You too.
All right. Attorney Bachman, we have one in person. Mr. Keeman Wade. And I'm gonna have him come into the courtroom so you can talk to him.
Okay.
And I'll step out. Yes.
Remember Devin Young?
Yes.
Friday.
Yes.
Well, he's down here, but he didn't have to pay nothing. He has to cash it. So we ain't supposed to pick up.
Yes.
I said I put him in.
He wants this. He wants this. He wants to order. She wants this order.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what he's looking for. He wants to order. Yeah. Okay. You got it. I don't know which copy he gets. I think we keep one in the file, though, right? And that's the one. I ain't said it says attorney, but that's what he wants. That's what he will.
Where Mr. Bachman go? Attorney Bachman?
Let you know I'm waiting for an offer from Alexa for Mr. Wade. Mr. Wade, I'll be right with you. I'll be right with you. I'm waiting on the prosecutor to extend an offer.
You have to see this, right? Hey, Chelsea. Okay, so I just. Oh, well, I just told her, but if you want to come up and get the, I just forward, I can copy it. Okay, good, we got all. Oscar, you have a defendant coming up to get this.
Coming up to get this?
Yeah. Debbie Good. Well, Stacy gonna be out all week, so.
Oh, oh, that's right. She had to go.
So just to give you an idea where I am, I did get an offer request into Paula. I think some of these cases are state. So I sent her a request. I haven't got anything back from Paula yet, and to Alexa. So I'm waiting. We okay? forgive me to interrupt.
Absolutely.
Mr. Wade,
It's the way he's talking.
Yes.
you have a ticket here for fishing without a license. Do
He
you
showed
have?
it to me.
Okay, perfect. So we
Yep,
can.
we're good on the fishing license one. He's all set on that one.
Okay, so I did get an offer from the prosecutor, state prosecutor, and actually both prosecutors. I'm ready to discuss that with the defendant, Your Honor. It would only take a minute.
Okay, let me step out for a second.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good deal, Mr. Wade.
Yes.
So the state prosecutor will agree to dismiss one count of expired plate if you plead guilty to one count of expired plate today. That fishing without a license will be dismissed, as well as all the other city counts. They've agreed to dismiss if you plead to the one count of having an expired license. Expired plate.
Okay.
Are you willing to do that?
And what does that entail? What's the
Cheapest fine we got in the books, man. I think it's like well, the belt might be cheaper, so it's like 125, I think.
Okay.
Everything else will be dismissed. Okay, you want to do that?
Absolutely. Do I have a is it a time frame on paying that?
Well, we'll talk to the judge about it. Okay.
Okay, absolutely.
So now, in order to take this deal, you're going to be waiving your right to any trial. You're not going to have the right to remain silent. You're actually going to admit to the judge that you did something wrong that was driving with an expired plate. Are you ready to do that?
Absolutely.
Okay, so you won't have a judge or a jury to decide the case, and lawyers won't get up and argue back and forth against each other about who's right and who's wrong. You won't have witnesses called for your case or against you. You're skipping that whole process in order to resolve this today. You know that, right?
Yep.
All right, then, we're ready.
Come closer just because my court is gonna need to be able to hear him. And stay in this area.
Stay in this area.
Yeah. Keyman or Kayman?
Keyman.
Keyman, okay.
Exactly how it's spelled.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Keyman Wade. This is ticket number N80024322. This is one count possession of no fishing license. Ticket number SP1210762. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Tickets number SX 4154365. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2 of that ticket is no proof of insurance. Also, count 3 of that ticket is expired plate. Ticket number SX 412588851. This is one count expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please, first.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Buff on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name loud and clear, please.
Keyman Wade.
Thank you. Judge, these matters are here for pretrial. I have had an opportunity to speak to Corporation Counsel as well as the Wayne County Prosecutor. The defendant will enter into a plea agreement here and now. He's pleading responsible to one count of expired plates. The remaining counts will be dismissed here. And I just do want to make mention of the fact that the defendant did present and is compliant with respect to his fishing license. So that will be dismissed for compliance. The other cases will be dismissed per the agreement between the parties. Myself and the prosecutor, I would stipulate to probable cause for that agreement and thank the court.
All right, and I did see that he does have a valid fishing license He presented the last 3 years of valid fishing license.
Right.
So I saw all 3 of them, council, which I appreciate. So at this time, reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the date of September 22nd, 2022, in the area of I-96 and the ramp to 137, I think it's 75. Mr. Wade was driving a Pontiac vehicle and did have expired plates. Satisfied, council?
Satisfied, Jerry.
All right, and is stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to expired plates. The remaining counts will be dismissed per plea and compliance on that one ticket. Sir, the fine for that is $145. There's some late fees on here. The court is going to remove the late fees on this ticket at this time. Sir, you typically have 14 days to be able to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Oh,
You need 30 days?
please.
All right, so the court's gonna give you until April 27, 2023 to have that 145 due, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you for coming in, Mr. Wade. I know last time it was a little tough and you wanted to come in, so I appreciate it, okay?
Thank you. Thank you, council. Don't need no paperwork.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
All right, and if there's nothing further, I don't think we have anybody else in the room. We're all set. Thank you, attorney.